Good morning, guys. I'm Blackie and welcome back to the channel. And today I'd like to give my little two thoughts on a little upgrade piece of kit I got. Now, those of you that follow my channel know I have been using the Stanley cup set on my grill as the cook pot on the grill. Now, the handle comes on it where you can, just a second, I'll get it, there we go. The handle comes off. The handle comes on it where it fits just like this and goes across the top. This is the way it comes in the kit, and there are two cups that come into this. I figured out that for me to carry this with my grill, I needed this handle to fold a different way. So if you just slide the little tab all the way to the end, pull it, and then squeeze the handles together, making sure that thing doesn't fall down, you can wiggle out one side and then the other. Turn the handle around, put it back in just like that, and it will lock into position and work just fine like this. But more importantly, it'll fold flat to the side. This makes it where I can take the lid off and put the lid underneath the bottom in a carrier and set the grill down inside of this to make it quick and easy and handy to carry. Just like that. Now, I like utilizing the grill as my water treatment system, and for a quick overnight day hike, something like that, where all I'm going to be doing is boiling water or something like that, or doing some immersion heating, this pot works very well for that, where this is going to be my primary water source. I'm going someplace where I know I can get water easily, I can just filter it, and I've got plenty of things I can boil in this. And so that makes a simple, easy kit. The only thing that I didn't like about it was kind of small in the opening, and for any kind of fork or whatever to get the food out of the bottom, you had to have a long fork or a long spoon to reach down in there and reach it. And so that kind of, a little bit. Well, they've improved that. And so now, Stanley's came up with this. Now, as you can see, there's a step right there. They flared it out at the top and made it much bigger. Okay? So when you compare the two bottoms, you can see that this is a bigger pot. Although they're the same size, top to bottom, it carries a greater volume on it. And when you can really see it when we compare the lids. You get up there and you can see that they're close in overall diameter. They really are. But there is just a little bit bigger about this. Now, the kit and the name of the kit is down in the description box if you're looking for one. REI has them. It comes with 2 insulated cups. This is a brew set, and this makes for handy. I don't have to carry both of them, but I can carry just a cup, or me and the wife going, I'll carry both. And that way, with a Trangie or some other little quick heating method, I can bring up hot coffee, hot chocolate, hot soup, or whatever, and be able to dispense it into this. Take it out, cook, utilize it, clean it, put it all back together. Pretty simple. The handle works exactly the same way. It comes over the top and lock, and you can unlock it and go underneath like I did on that one. And the grill fits it just fine, and got a little bit of room now around here. And that means I could do some other things. If I'm trying to slide this in and get it into a tight area, I could slide the handle down like that, see, and be able to put it deeper into a carrier or something like that without this handle interfering. So the handle will slide down in there like that. The lid has pour holes right here and a steam right there. This allows me to clamp that thing down and be able to pour coffee or strain something through the lid. Okay. It's got a nice big heavy reinforced, which was the weakness on the original lid. Sorry for the aircraft. The original lid had a plastic tab on there. That melted off. As soon as it got in a good hot fire, it was just not going to do it. So I replaced it with a small key ring loop. The modern one that's on the new set is a welded large one. It's got a silicone up there. And the silicone can handle the temperatures well into like 500-600 degrees. So we'll see how that one holds up. If it don't hold up, you still got a nice big top on there that'll hold up where I can stick a stick in it and take it on and off pretty easy. Okay. But in my plundering around, I also found this cup, which was cheap. This is one of the cups you get at Walmart in the camping area. Fits perfect. Notice how it comes right up to dimension. So now when I slide this into the set, I've got a metal cup that I could also use. And notice I put folded up aluminum foil in there. Very useful in camp for preserving food, a clean place to lay it out, to process food so it's not laying on a dirty log or something like that. I've got a clean surface I can take with me to open up. So I carry aluminum foil in my kits. And then the cup like that. Add into this the grail. Take the lid, the handle, and slide it down like that onto the side. And then take that lid, mash it flat, and put it into the thing. And there's a compact kit to carry with the grail. So if you've got a grail and you've been looking for a pot to go with it, look at one of these Stanleys. Now the old one is a really good one. I've been using it, as you can tell by the scorch marks on that one. I've used it quite a bit with this set. But this is the upgrade for it. And these are available now through REI. I'm not sure of the price. But these right here would be a definite upgrade. And there's enough room around this. I could put more aluminum foil. I could put a little spice pack in here or something like that. And turn this into a more of a good cook kit. So, might be something you want to look at. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you have, please hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.